Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular interior over here. So we'll be completing this today. So let's just click over here. We have done few of the things. So I'll again go over here. I'll just take a vertex over here. I'll activate this and I'll slightly just drag it down if required. Now you can use refine over here. You can slightly use refine. Select the vertices and slightly give a bit of fillet. So convert to editable poly. So let's go into this. Select the edges. Select the edges. Let's give one connect. Drag it over here. So select this polygons. Slightly just extrude it by local normal. That's it. Click OK. So now I can just select this part. Select the vertices. Push it up. Now I can go into this view over here. Let's take a cylinder. So slightly reduce it, increase its height. Slightly increase the radius. Convert to editable poly. Select this polygon, slightly give a bit of inset. Slightly extrude it out. And go into this view and take a line. So reduce its thickness. So select this and let's again mirror it. Copy it in x-axis. Drag it over here in this way. So let's select this part and let's give a shell modifier. So let's give a shell modifier. Can slightly assign a shell modifier. So let's give a bit of shell to it, convert to editable poly. So and isolate this. So once you're done, I can just go over here and I can select this whole thing. Let's make it big. Can just make it bigger like this. So this is going to be over here onto the top part where we are going to place it. So again you can just duplicate that wherever it is required. So you can start with this chair part. So let's again go into this view over here and let's take a line. I'll off this enable in viewport. So I can just go over here, select the vertices, and you have option over here called fillet. So let's add fillet a bit. That's it. And now over here, enable in viewport, make it rectangular. Slightly increase its length. Oops. Length is increased a lot. So slightly increase its length over here in this way. So select the vertices, slightly push it out in this way. So now what I can do over here is like you can slightly make something round over here as it is going to close this area. So if you see over here, you can just go into this and you have an option called insert. If you use the insert option, you can slightly make this like this round. So select the vertices, use a fillet, use this fillet. So you can slightly use this, select this over here, drag it in this way. Alright. So if you can go into this and just place up a cylinder just to show over here. So I can slightly increase the height of it, slightly reduce the height. So we can just work in that way. So convert to editable poly. We can adjust it in this way. The same way, let's save the file once. The same way you can just adjust this part. So again I'll go into this and you have a insert option. So better we can just take this cylinder, shift and drag this over here a much better way. After that, now we can just create the support over here. So for the support, again I can go into this view over here. Let's take a line tool, or you can even take a rectangle. Let's take a line tool over here. And close the shape. So select the vertices. Let's give fillet. So we can add fillet a bit. So you can add the fillets wherever required. And also you can add some fillet over here. So once you're done, you can enable in viewport. So reduce this, select the vertices and slightly give fillet to it. Alright. So over here, reduce its length and width. In this way, where we can just place the objects. Select this, shift and drag. You can definitely detail it later on. You can slightly add some details if you want. That can be done further. That's not a problem. So you can again go over here into this view over here, and let's again take a line which is going to get connected over here. Like this, and to the bottom. So I'll make it as radial. If you want, you can slightly add a bit of thickness to it. So that is totally okay with it. Slightly shuffle this over here. Right click, refine. You can push this, you can adjust it accordingly. That can be done. Whatever changes you want, that you can do it. Again, shift and drag. Again, duplicate it. Select the vertices. Now let's again go to the top view. Take again a line. And let's just adjust this over here. So I can just place it at the right place. So select the vertices. and let's give a bit of fillet. So let's just assign a fillet over here. That's it. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll be continuing the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.